Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix OneDrive sync issues on your Windows computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by navigating to your Windows desktop and clicking on the Windows Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen. This is the first step to accessing the built-in reset function that will help resolve your sync problems. Once your Start menu has opened, we're going to use a special built-in reset function for your OneDrive app. This function comes along with the installation and acts as a clearing tool specifically designed to fix issues you might be experiencing with OneDrive. It's a powerful feature that can resolve most sync-related problems without affecting your actual files or data. Now here's where you'll need to pay close attention. I'm going to show you a file path directory that you'll need to enter. Feel free to pause the video at this point to copy down the complete file path accurately. The path you need is %local app data %Microsoft /OneDrive /OneDrive.exe /reset. Make sure you copy it exactly as shown, as even a small mistake could prevent the reset from working properly. Once you've copied the file path, paste it directly into your Start menu search bar. After pasting, press Enter on your keyboard. You'll see the OneDrive reset.exe file runs immediately and begins the process of completely resetting your OneDrive app. Don't worry about your files during this process, they won't be affected or deleted in any way. The reset only clears the app's cache and settings, not your actual stored data. Now all you have to do is wait until the reset process completes. This usually takes just a minute or two, but it can vary depending on your system. Once finished, OneDrive will restart automatically and begin syncing your files again, this time without the issues you were experiencing before. And that's it. You've successfully reset OneDrive and fixed your sync issues. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.